Yes, I think this is going to be the highest threat of severe weather since I've moved to Texas in January.
Wow.
Yeah,
Okay.
because on a scale of 1 to 5, usually we get a 2, maybe a 3,
Right.
but it's actually at a 4 today.
Yeah, that's a substantial warning to give to people.
Yes, so it's been upgraded. So
Yeah.
I will definitely be here later this evening helping out the team. The whole team's, going to be in. We're going to be tracking these storms as they move across North Texas. So we have a WFA weather alert day, and that starts at 9 o'clock tonight and goes until 3 o'clock in the morning. We're expecting these storms to really be capable of a lot of wind. It's going to be a damaging wind event first and foremost. We're talking at least 70-mile-an-hour wind gust. Hail, that's going to be a secondary threat. We're talking maybe golf ball size hail, but not everyone's going to get the hail. I expect most people to certainly get the wind, very heavy torrential rainfall, but isolated brief tornadoes cannot be ruled out, especially initially once the storms get going in the northwest part of North Texas. The Metroplex, I think that threat will be lower, but it will still be there. So what you need to do is stay updated with the latest forecast and have a way to receive any warnings that could come out. And make sure to download the WFA Plus app to your TV. Obviously, we've got the NBA Finals going on tonight, and we will do cut-ins when necessary on this channel, but we're also going to be doing a lot more cut-ins likely on WFA Plus. So here's the latest severe weather outlook for tonight, 9 p.m. until 3 o'clock in the morning. The Metroplex now in that moderate threat, foreseeing the wind, the hail, and possibly tornadoes. So notice it's the Metroplex in areas to the north and west. As these storms make their way east across North Texas, eventually they will weaken, but just by a little bit. So in the meantime, it's nice and quiet outside. Well, we're moving the camera around, but Clyde Warren Park camera, I guess we're looking at a little bit of traffic right now. There's not really too much traffic out there right now, but if you have any errands this afternoon, I think you're going to be just fine. Again, these storms are not likely until late this evening and into tonight. It's nice and warm right now. We're at 79 degrees in Decatur, 79 in Greenville, 80 right now in Tyler, and 77 degrees in Waxahachie. Later today, it's going to be hot and it's going to be humid again. Temperatures make it back into the mid and upper 90s, 95 in Decatur, 96 in McKinney, 96 in Dallas, and 95 this afternoon in Corsicana. So satellite and radar showing that we've already had a few showers and storms this morning, mainly just to the north and east. We've had a couple of storms across the Metroplex, and we still have some severe storms way out to the west, but generally those are moving off to the south and east and not moving towards the Metroplex. Zooming in a little bit closer to that one storm we've been tracking, it's now mainly south of Wills Point. It's not severe, but it does have some heavy rainfall and a little bit of lightning, and it looks like there's going to be another shower coming in behind that, but it's pretty small right now. So looking at our timecast at noon today, things look to be pretty quiet. Again, for the most part, I think this afternoon does look quiet across much of North Texas. And even later this evening, this is going to be 7 o'clock, and most of us will be pretty quiet and dry by then. Can't rule out an isolated shower storm, but the main event not taking place until late this evening. This is going to be 9 o'clock, and you can see the main line of storms out to the west now making their way across Decatur, Denton. This is going to be 10 o'clock, the leading edge now moving into the northwest part of the Metroplex, but at 11 o'clock, we're all in it. These are going to be the severe storms. By the time we get to 1 o'clock in the morning, the strongest part of the storms just off to the east, but we're still dealing with storms across the Metroplex, and then by your morning commute, we could still see a few showers, but no severe weather during that time. During the day tomorrow, some scattered showers and storms are still going to be a possibility during the day, but I think during the day tomorrow, again, that severe weather threat will be significantly lower. So for today, partly sunny, hot and humid, storms late. Severe storms are likely later tonight, and the biggest threat is going to be that damaging wind. We have a chance of seeing storms every day this week. It looks very unsettled. That will keep temperatures on the lower side, but next week it looks hotter and it looks dry. Matt, back to you.